In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Windows not showing thumbnails. So let's get started. It's just a very easy issue to fix. Once I open my File Explorer, you can see that there are no thumbnails showing in here, but instead these are showing icons. Okay, so we cannot have or we don't have the thumbnails right here shown in our Windows. So in order to fix it, we just need to simply go ahead in the Windows search bar and we need to type File Explorer options. Okay, the same thing as what you can see under the best match, then click on that. Now the File Explorer options window will appear, which has the general view and the search tab. Now simply click on the view tab. Now here you can find the option always show icons, never thumbnails. So this is the option that we need to disable to show the thumbnails on our windows. So uncheck this and click on apply and click on OK. And that's it. Thumbnails are now showing on your windows. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.